Okay, just kidding. We had to move the kale inside of here because of the storm. We just put them under here with a little LED shop light. Our collards too. But I did have a good tip for you about these arugula microgreens if you want to keep the cycle going over and over again. You remember we just planted them in a little takeout container? So we had a few of those, and if you're limited on space, you can stack them up like this. That way, while you're growing, harvesting, and eating some of them, you can also have some of them germinating. You can stack them up just like this because these won't need much light. And these lids hold in the humidity. Makes the little seeds happy. That way, you've got these starting off, so when you decide to harvest these and eat them, you have these ready in a few days. And just repeat the cycle over and over. Alright, this is what I do to keep food growing constantly when I'm growing indoors. Now, just like outside, when people think we have a whole lot to grow and we eat a lot at one time, we don't. We've got plants growing at different stages. Just like this, we've got kale, which we're picking off of. We've got sprouts. We've got microgreens. And it's just a bunch of different plants at different stages. It's not a lot of stuff coming in at once and eating it all at once. These peas are good because you can eat them when they're just 2 or 3 inches tall, or you can let them grow like this, cut off the top 2 or 3 inches, still tender, edible, and then you've got all of this green, free nitrogen you can put in your compost. Didn't take any nutrients to grow it. And tough plants like kale and collards, we like to harvest at this stage because you can just saute them really quick. You don't have to cook them all day. And we've always got more sprouts and microgreens coming in different stages, just like there's more peas, sunflowers. You can see more peas in the back there. Microgreens here, we'll talk about that later. But we've got more here and over here. So just want to show you how much you can grow in a small area and not with the intentions of eating it all at once, but growing things at different stages and keeping the cycle going over and over. And if you got a small space, making use of any available area you can find. Hey, I got pea shoots in there.
Okay.